To use the copy function, after logging in, select the Quick Copy option on the menu screen. After selecting this option, you will be redirected to the device's native application. Before you can begin configuring your file, place the document in the automatic document feeder or on the scanner glass. Let's return to the copy screen. On this screen, you can set the parameters for your file, such as whether the copy is single or double-sided. The color of the file, the paper format, the original type of the file, and how many copies you want. To start, press the Start button.